Are you creating a culture of health and wellness in your workplace? Hi, I'm Rebecca Hannon, your workplace wellness expert. With it being Mental Health Week this week, I thought it was a perfect time to check in and just see what kind of messages you're sending out there to your workplace. Often in workplaces, there's this real culture around working the longest hours, pushing as hard as what you can, not taking adequate time off. And these are all really concerning messages for me, and I see it really regularly in the work that I do. It's setting your staff and your team members up for failure, which is the last thing that any of us want. So with this week, with it being Mental Health Week, it's a great time to kind of go, okay, as a manager or as a leader, am I sending out the best messages myself? Am I taking care of myself? Am I being the best role model I can be? If you're feeling a little bit like you're burning the candle at both ends, it's a really good time to check in and go, okay, I need to stop and back off a little bit so that I'm setting a good tone for everybody else. If you're telling your staff that it's not okay to be telling people that they're having a day off or they're taking a holiday, it's probably time to change some of the language around that, because people do need time off and they do need holidays, and they need to know that it's okay, because if they're not able to tell people that, then they're also getting feelings of guilt and shame around having time off as well. So it's also a really good time to let people know that it's okay not to be okay, and start opening up some of those conversations around how people are feeling, so that we can start to explore that a little bit more with our staff, so that then people know that it's safe and it's okay, and some of that stigma starts to get dropped down. So just to recap, express the importance of people taking time out. Time out is crucial in them being able to perform at peak performance and work well. Open up the conversations that it's okay not to be okay, and as a leader, are you setting the right tone? Are you being a good role model? Are you taking time out for yourself? Here's to Mental Health Week, and here's to creating healthy and well workplaces. See you all again soon. Bye.